Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So I am back with my bare naked face. So for today's video it is going to be a glow up. So मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से कुछ चीज़ें करनी थी अपनी स्किन के लिए और उसको पैम्पर करने के लिए बहुत टाइम से पेंडिंग थी. सो मैंने सोचा आज कर ही लेते हैं एंड क्यों ना मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूं बिकॉज एवरीथिंग आई डू आई शेयर विद यू गाइज. सो या लेट्स स्टार्ट विद टुडेज ग्लो अप. सो आज हमको शेविंग करनी है, बॉडी शेविंग, फेस शेविंग, देन नेल पेंट्स चेंज करनी है, देन मास्किंग करनी है. बहुत टाइम हो गया मैंने मास्क भी अप्लाई नहीं किया है. So for today's video we are going to do that in this video. So yeah, let's just get ready and do our glow up together. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. So guys, let's start with shaving. तो बॉडी के लिए मुझे सिर्फ अपने हैंड्स के हेयर रिमूव करने हैं. सो मैं सोच रही हूँ पहले हैंड के रिमूव कर लें एंड विल बी डन विद द बॉडी एंड देन विल मूव ऑन टू फेस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद शेविंग ऑफ आवर हैंड्स. So guys, I am in the weirdest position that I can get in. So I have applied face wash on my hands because I don't like to shave bare skin. I like to use some other medium to shave my body. So yeah, I have applied face wash and now I am taking this generic Venus Gillette razor and just going to start shaving my skin. So guys, we are done with removing hairs and you can see my skin feels so soft and nice. So now I am going to moisturize my skin with using this Pond's vitamin E moisturizer. And please don't mind its हालत. इंडियन हाउसहोल्ड में यही होता है बेसिक लोशंस के साथ, जिसको हम लोग प्रोटेक्ट करके नहीं रखते अपने ब्रदर्स से. So yeah, just warming it up and just moisturizing my skin using the lotion. Don't leave your skin bare after shaving. Just moisturize it nicely. It gives a nice soft feeling to your skin. So guys, we are done with hands now. Now let's move on to our face shaving. And please don't mind my baby hairs falling out because it is a bad hair day. And I know my girls, you understand my feeling. So guys, now for face shaving, I do not shave on bare skin because I think it irritates my skin. So what I like to do is to take a gel. This is a Good Vibes Calendula gel. I will leave the prices on the screen. So what I like to do is to take this gel and apply it all over my face as a mask and then shave my face. So it gives a smooth shaving experience and does not leave my skin bumpy while shaving. So I'm going to apply it all over my skin. सो गाइस, एज यू कैन सी मैंने जेल अच्छे से जेनरसली अपनी स्किन पे अप्लाई कर दिया. नाउ आई विल टेक दिस ब्रॉन्सन प्रोफेशनल फेशियल रेजर एंड स्टार्ट शेविंग माय फेस. So guys, my face shaving is done and now it is time for eyebrows. So guys, I think it is the most difficult part because you can easily mess up with your brows anytime. So yeah, now I am going to do it with my full concentration. So guys, I am done with shaving and as you can see my skin feels so baby soft and I think I did a great job in doing my brows today. So yeah, I think these are shaved nicely, but I don't try to shave my brows. I just try to remove the extra hair around the brows because I can't risk my brows in my own hands, you know. So guys, now let's move on to mask. So I am going to apply this Ever Youth का face glow peel off mask. So it is an orange peel off mask and yeah, it provides kind of glowy skin after using it. So it was lying around in my cupboard, so I thought why don't use it today. So yeah, I am going to apply it all over my face now. So guys, I have completely applied it on my face. Now I will let it dry and see you in a while. So guys, till the mask is drying, I thought why not to just paint our nails with some nice nail paint. So guys, for nail paint I have chosen a nude color. So I am going to use this Aladdin's Nail Pops These are really good nail paint. These are just for 50 rupees and the shade name is 140. So yeah, it is a beautiful pinkish nude color. So it is one of my favorite nail paints from this range, and I will going to give you links down in the description box. So if you are on a mood to purchase some good nail paints under a budget, then you can definitely try these ones. So now I'm going to apply these on my nails. So guys, I am done applying nail paint, and it is a pretty nice nude nail paint. As you can see, I am quite liking it. So yeah, nail paint is done. Now just let's wait for it to dry and remove it. So guys, the mask has completely dried. Now I'm going to peel it off in front of you guys. So guys, कुछ जगह से नहीं सूखा है, so can't help it because it is so hot and humid. बट जहाँ जहाँ से सूखा है वहाँ से हटा लेते हैं. It is so difficult to make your mask completely dry in such a hot and humid weather. Okay guys, it is not completely dried. As you can see, I will just wash my face and then see you. So guys, I am done washing my face, and it looks quite clear, but it was so much of pain to remove that peel off mask with water because it was a peel off mask, not a face mask. That's why. So yeah, but what went wrong goes wrong, can't do anything about it. So yeah, but my skin looks kind of clear now and kind of glowy also, and it is also very smooth and baby soft. So guys, now I will take this Good Vibes ka Liquorize serum, face serum detan, and I'm going to moisturize my face with it. And yeah, my nail paint looks so pretty, you guys. I'm in love with this color. So now I'm going to just apply it all over my face and just, massage it. So guys, now I am done with moisturizing, and I am quite loving my skin of my hand and my face, as I am also loving my nail paint today. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this glow up with me and feel some motivation to pamper your body and your skin as well. So yeah, if so, then do like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for further notification, and see you in my next one. Till then, take care, bye.